Hello Boss. The high-speed automatic fold carton packaging machine is an advanced packaging solution designed for efficiently forming, filling and sealing cartons at high production speed. Ideal for industries such as food beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and FMCG fast-moving consumer goods. This machine automates the process of erecting, loading, and sealing folded cartons with precision and minimal manual intervention. We have experienced a team of R&D engineers who can customize packaging solutions according to your product characteristics. If you need, please contact us today.